bang all this ice off. Push the contactor down like so. 22 amps. Alright, here we are back in our favorite freezer. Except this time, the blower's working, but the heater isn't. So there is a lot of ice. See, the fans are going. There's ice on everything. I kind of want to go up there and see what's going on, break all that ice off and see how bad it is on the inside, and decide what to do. That'll be the first step. Here's how bad it is on the outside. I'm gonna bang all this ice off, see how bad it is on the inside. It might be a total ice block in there. Alright, well, the frost-free door is frosty. Let's get a light in here. Frost build up on the ceiling throughout the whole thing. Not as bad as I was expecting. Here's our heater side. It's alright. Here's all our heater terminals. Yeah, I wonder why the heater isn't working. Alright, we'll have to figure that out now. There's our motor contactor. The issue with him is it's going to be hard to look inside. It says it's rated for 40 amps. It's got two little spots for a screw to go in it. Yeah, I should look inside that thing and check continuity across it. Alright, I'll go get a little baby screwdriver. This thing is just wired all crazy. That's for sure. Alright, let's look inside that bad boy. See what's in there. Of course, it's like the tiniest screws known to man. Oh, I'm gonna drop that thing. Gotta take the gloves off for this part. Gloves are coming off. Yeah, of course, it's like the tiniest screw. I'll hide him right there. Him off. inside the contactor. So this is the motor contactor. There are two little screws holding this lid on right here. Pull that lid out. And then you can see, get this wire out of the way. Here's your contacts. Contacts are here and here. Those are the floating contacts, and here's your fixed contacts down below. And I looked up close at them, and I don't see any signs of heat. But what we can do is we can push the contactor down like so, and then take a continuity reading across these two terminals and see what the resistance is to make sure that this isn't adding current to our circuit and making extra heat. Kind of doubt it, but it's worth a check because there's really nothing else going on in this heater circuit to troubleshoot. So we'll check that, and then we'll go from there. Let's get the gloves back on before I freeze. My daughter would love this for about 5 minutes, and then she'd be over it, but it's a winter wonderland. Alright, so put all those down there. Gonna go continuity. That's good. And then we're just gonna go right across one side of the contactor to the other. And then we're just going to push the contacts in. We got 5 ohms. 6 ohms. And then my probes themselves are saying 6 ohms as well. I'm probably ready for new probes. I wonder if that's the cold or just my probes being old. I should probably get new probes. But either way, dead short like this is 6. That's saying 6. That to me means I'm not getting any extra resistance on the contactor. I think that's good. So I can put him back together. Alright, now we can put these new fuses in. Snow off them. Power it up and see if anything interesting happens. And as soon as it's up and running, I'm going to need to put these baffles up. All this ice is going to fall down and melt on it. Alright, here we go. All clear. I think I'm going to put these baffles up first. Okay, good as it gets. When I close the main, nothing happened. So either the main fuse is down below blew or something up here blew, but I've got the main closed right now. So let's see. Oh yeah, our control breaker tripped. That's our 120. Let's just see if we've got voltage before I reset it. Yeah, we popped the fuse down below. Nothing on 1 to 2. Let's try and reset it. Nothing. Yeah, because it's got no control voltage. Okay, we'll go swap that fuse down in the disco. I'm going to leave everything off up here, and we'll reset these breakers when we come back up. this ice is going to melt. Really messy up here. Once this starts running, all this ice is going to melt and it's going to get really messy. All this. So it's going to go from a dry, dirty location to a wet, dirty location really quick. Alright. Let's get back on the ground and watch the ice melt and see what happens. Alright, here's what I was standing in, and it seems to be working now. It's getting hot. It's a lot warmer in here, believe it or not. As you can see, it's starting to melt. There's quite a lot of icicle on here though. It is going to get messy. All right. See you on the next one.